Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today I'm going to show you another interesting topic of Laravel, that is factory. So factories in Laravel used to create random data for testing. So let's say if you have created a new project and you don't have that data for testing, so you can create your random data using factories and you can test your project. So I'll be showing you how to create factory and how to seed your database. So let's get started with today's video. So I'm going to use Laravel tutorial, and in this you can see contact table. So I'll be using factory to create this contact table data. So let's go and show you code now. So in code you can find in database folder your seeders, migration and factories. All three you can find in your database folder. So in factories folder you can see there is already one file, user factory. So if I'll open that, then you can see it's having some code already present there. So you can see it's using fake name, fake email. So let's go and create our first factory. So let's write command for that. So write php artisan make factory and write factory name, let's say contact factory. So hit enter, and now you can see contact factory is created. It's created in factories folder only. So you can see if I'll open the file, you can see there is one function, that is definition, already present there. So this factory will be called by seeder. So let's go and quickly create a seeder file as well. So write php artisan make seeder and write contact seeder. That will be created in seeder folder. So now let's start writing our code in contact factory first. You can take a reference from user factory if you want. So now let's write. So first one in contact factory, I'll be writing name. So name will be fake, and after that it will be name only. So fake here only is a like helper function that behind the scenes only using faker library of Laravel only. After that write email, and that will be fake, and after that email. So you can also use like this faker and name if you want. So now after that let's write message. So message will be fake and this will be our text. So in factory we will be defining definition of our data, like how data will be entered in your table, and in Cedar we will be running this factory, and we will be like if you want to create 10 data, 20 data, that also you will be defining in your Cedar. So in Cedar write contact with factory function. After that write count. So let's say I want 10 entries only, and last function create function. So factory function will be calling using model name, that is contact, that contact factory I need to load. So this factory function will be loading contact factory and will seed the database. So now let's seed the database. So write php artisan db seed. So you can see the output contact seeder is executed. So now let's go to db and see contact table. So here you can see random 10 data is present there. So that's how you can use a factory in your project. So that's the basic and simple example I have shown you of factory, how you can use it in your project. You can also define relationships using factory. So let's say one to one, one to many relationships, and many to many. All these relationship you can also define using factory. So in this video is just basic example I have shown you. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.